Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. Whatever Allah does is for the best. There used to be an old man who lived in a jungle. He owned a rooster, a dog, and a donkey. The rooster would wake him up for morning prayers. The donkey was used to transport water, and the dog would guard his house. One day, a fox ate the rooster. His family was upset on this loss. But this pious man kept patience and said, "Whatever Allah does is for the best of us." After a few days, a wolf ripped his donkey apart. The family members were really sad, but the pious man repeated the same words, "Whatever Allah does is for the best." After some time, the dog fell ill and died. He uttered the same words on his death. Whatever Allah does is for the best. What happened after a few days was that the enemy ambushed his village one night and tracked all the houses by the voices of their household animals. They looted all their wealth and precious items and took the villagers as prisoners. However, the pious man had no animals in the house which could make any noise. So the enemies remained unaware of his house because of the dark. Due to this, he was saved from this catastrophe, and his patience and belief in Allah were further strengthened in the fact that whatever Allah does is for the best. And whoever relies on Allah, then Allah is sufficient for him. I hope you liked this story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.